for subscribing to my new subbies. I'm going to be doing a really quick video on how I do my eyebrows because it was highly requested and it's coming, guys. But before I get into this video, anything that you guys want to see, please hit me up, let me know. I'm open to suggestions. I love suggestions actually, but let me know. I have a lot coming for you guys and I want to hear what you guys want to see. Also, any collabs, any business inquiries, my email will be linked down below. I am open to anything that you guys want to do. Just let me know. If you want to see how I achieve these brows, keep watching. Here I'm just brushing my brows up and back to tame them. I'm going to take the Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown along with the 7B Duo brush and line the bottom of my brows. I'm going to do the same thing with the top of my brows, but I'm not going to start all the way in the front. Now I'll start filling them in the back because I like most of the product at the back where the hairs are darker. I use short hair-like strokes and just fill it in. Same motion up and back, and just continue to fill it in. When I get to the front, I do not do the up and back. I just kind of like take it from the bottom and blend up. There we go. Now here I realized my eyebrows were not as thick as I like them, so I went back over the top and made them a little thicker. Now when I get to the very front, I like to take the narrow point of the brush and put it at the bottom and stroke upwards. Gives me small, precise hair-like strokes. I like to make it a little higher than the brow so that when I blend it out, it looks natural and not blunt. Now I'm just going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn and line underneath my brow to conceal any hairs I may have underneath there. And I'm going to blend that out. I'm going to do the same with the top of the brow. And make sure I blend that out as well. Okay guys, so that's how I do my brows. I try to keep it simple for beginners. I mean, it's not that hard. It's just best if you go off your natural brow shape and not really try to do too extra. And some people, they don't really know where their brow shape is, so just going off your brow bone will really help. But just don't do too much, ladies. Don't. But really simple. I hope you guys can follow. Hope you guys like it. If you did, thumbs up. Do not thumbs down this video. And hit the subscribe button.